See, not just an MP or not just a politician, whoever, an Indian. How can an Indian agree to this? What is the motive of taking out Mahatmaji's name out from Manrega? What is the logical reason behind it? What is the legal reason behind it? Can anyone born as Indian, living as an Indian, can justify this? So this is a God-say motivated action by the government. Though they call it G Ram G, it's not Lord Ram in their mind. In their mind, it is Nadhuram. So no Indian can agree to this. Second thing, regarding now, say 60-40. How can a state like Kerala bear this burden? So though they announce it as 125 days, and practically they are going to ensure that not even 50-60 days is easy for the government. So who is getting affected? The poorest of the nation? Who else? The poorest of the nation? Why the government is declaring a war on the poorest of this nation? So this is anti-poor, anti-constitutional, anti-freedom fight, anti-history. In any case, there are difference of opinion on so many things that they pass, that they bring. But in this case, there is not even a single point where an Indian cutting across caste, creed, politics and state can join. So actually, even the Prime Minister terming this as a Manrega as a monumentum of Congress failure, why they are so busy taking the credit down their own? They want this project to be named after their agenda. So if this was a failure, why would they take it up? In last 2 decades, this was one of the biggest and huge success in world economy where the poor has been benefiting. Even when the 2008 crisis was happening, India's hunger index was not going down. Why? Because we were ensuring that at least 100 they get something and they could earn their bread and butter, least minimum, to buy some medicine without the help of their children. Maybe to buy some chocolate for their grandchildren. To have something their own. To consult a doctor, to pay 100 rupees to a doctor. They need not extend their hands to their children.